So the injector harness and harness here for the air pump for the O2 sensor warm up were both chafed on this bracket here. So I managed to find it. There was a misfire on number 4, and so I checked for vacuum leaks and stuff, pulled the cover off, started looking around, and sure enough, number 4 injector harness chafed. So stripped it all out and gonna butt connector, heat shrink, tape it up, put it all back together, and everything should be good. It is what it is. Here in Prince George, BC, and today is July 12th, I do believe, Saturday. So no parts repair. Hopefully everything will be good.